In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all saved posts on Facebook. We'll walk through the process step by step, so you can quickly clear out your saved items and tidy up your Facebook account. This is especially useful if you've been saving posts for a long time and things are starting to feel cluttered. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, because your saved posts are tied to the profile you're currently using. Once the app is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the menu icon. This is the button with 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and tap on that. Tapping the menu opens a page with a lot of options, like your profile, groups, marketplace, and more. If you don't immediately see saved in the first set of options, don't worry. Look for the text that says Show More. It's usually located just underneath the main shortcuts. Tap Show More to expand this list. After you tap Show More, more icons and options will appear, and one of them should be Saved. This is where Facebook keeps all the posts, videos, links, and other content you've bookmarked to look at later. Go ahead and tap on Saved to open your full list. Inside the Saved section, you'll see everything you've ever saved, usually organized by most recent first. You can scroll through this list and decide what you no longer need. To delete a saved post, tap on the 3 dots or the Options button next to that item. From the menu that appears, choose the option to remove it from your saved items. This doesn't delete the original post from Facebook. It just removes it from your personal saved list. If you want to clear a lot of saved posts, just repeat this process, working your way down the list. It can take a bit of time if you have many saved items, but it's the most reliable way to make sure everything you no longer want is removed. As you do this, your saved section will gradually become cleaner and easier to manage. Once you're finished, you can back out of the menu and continue using Facebook as normal. Your saved posts list should now only contain the items you actually care about keeping for later.